see, in the winters, it depends where you are staying, which part of the world you are. In India, the winters can be very harsh in some parts of the country, especially in North India and especially in the hilly regions. So the basic dictum is always to keep the babies covered, especially the younger babies. They lose their body surface area, they lose a lot of heat through their skin. So it's very important, and this is common knowledge in all households. Our grandmas and nannies all tell us that you keep the babies covered. So when you just sense a nip in the air, to keep the babies covered, they keep their hands, give them mittens, give them socks, give them a cap. So keeping them covered is important, and that varies. The covering varies according to the degree of the cold. So the general comparison usually is that how many layers we as adults need. You need one extra layer for a child. But on the same side, I would like to warn that sometimes parents, really overdo it very much. We
Overly.
see this very much, especially in newborns, that they are bundled in so many layers that they start sweating, and the baby presents with fever, which is actually not fever; it is the heat because of the excessive covering. So you'll have to, balance it and see, and the covering should not be so tight and too much that it causes discomfort and excessive heat to the baby. So according to the weather, according to the this thing, just keep layering and covering the hands and the head, hands and feet in the head. So that is one thing for the covering part. Other things, yes, nutrition. I always advise about nutrition. That is not just winters; it's every season, every year, every stage of life. Uh, Healthy nutrition is very important. It's important, I think, as a pediatrician. What I have seen in this present generation is that children are just not eating home cooked foods. They are not eating fruits. They're not eating vegetables, and there is so much available, and there is there is so much variety and so many things very easy to procure, and with the buying capacity of the family is also becoming better and better. So if children, even from the strata which we would say are not that economically privileged, will also be on a lot of unhealthy diet, biscuits, packaged fruits, all these things. So these are things which we have to discourage as a general measure, not just for any season, but for every season, for every day, as a way of life.